Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. I've done this analysis several times before, although it has been a couple of days since the last update I did, but that's where all these red and green line annotations are coming from. But with the price continuing to move downwards, a lot of house cleaning needs to be done, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete these lines out. Sure, those levels still pertain, just not relevant right now. And the first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $1.40, that newest level that's been broken, and you can actually see this played out perfectly. Price broke down below it, and then on the back test right there from Monday, right where it got rejected, and then that much more follow through down here today. So keep an eye on that. But what I'm actually going to do now is adjust this level of resistance down to more so the near term level, and that sits right here at about $1.25. So $1.25 in the near term going to be that first key battleground that'll need to be cleared up above. If the price can break up through there, the next key level that you'll want to watch very closely is that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. That's currently valued at $1.33. But as of right now, you don't want to get too far ahead of yourself and focus, on that 50-period moving average, because first, the price just simply needs to, prove itself in the near term. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote, prove itself being able to, is being defined as getting able to get up above that $1.25 mark. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, we got to kind of go on a little hunt here to figure out where some of these are. Now, the first level, nothing fancy. That's just where the, simply where the bleeding stopped today, and that's at $1.15. But in the event the price goes down there below $1.15, next key level after that would then be down there right around the dollar mark, which is very, very important, because if the thing goes below $1, then all of a sudden you're below that psychological level of resistance, and price movements have a very hard time of even getting up above $1. But as of now, I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves to that angle either, because to be fair, so far so good. That $1.15 mark is held very strong as support. But overall, these are some of the newest technical levels to keep an eye on, so let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.